Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. I'm Shaiju Balagopal and I'm your fitness trainer. Alright, what we're going to address today is one serious problem. We're going to only cover till here. Alright, one serious problem. Most of the women talk about this. Okay, one, the fat under the arm. Men also do the fat under the arm here. Then the fat under the armpit here. Right at this junction, even men have it sometimes. When they don't work out, they have this the fat accumulating here, and you literally can pinch it out. That's so much there. So that's what we're going to address. It's a critical thing. So it's a function of your shoulders, your pecs, and your triceps as well. So we're going to work on these exercises mainly, and we're going to cover as a strength training. Today is the bra bulge, or the fat in this area, and for men here as well. So, alright, so women get it under the armpit, and men get it here on the side, and it leads to gynecomastia. So that's what we are addressing today. So watch it till the end. Alright guys, what we're going to do, the first exercise is you need a medicine ball or a slam ball or a ball which is considerably heavy. So this is about 6 kgs. Okay, so what we're going to do is press out. Now I'm pressing this ball inwards here like that. Okay, that engages the chest, and then what you're going to do is do like that, press it forward, take it up, bring it back down, and then bring it towards you. Press it out, bring it up, down, and do that. While you're doing that, okay, you're going to engage your pecs from the side, okay, and pushing it in and tightening it. Then when you go out, you're going to engage your shoulders, lifting the medicine ball, and then you're going to tighten all the whole ring of chain of muscles here, and then bring it down again. And you're going to do 20 into 2 or 15 into 3. So that's what you're going to do, right? Do it with a considerable amount of weight. Alright guys, the next exercise for your armpit fat, you would have already felt it's burning already, right? They're all feeling it. So you have to hold the previous exercise, you'll have to hold it from the side, press it forward, bring it out, up, and bring it down back again and pull it back. So it'll work on your pecs, your triceps, your shoulders as well. You'll see that reasons why we are talking about the fat now is where it's going to burn a lot. So the next exercise is with a dumbbell. Sit on a bench or something like flat where you can sit and extend your arm, right? Then keep your dumbbell like this, push like that, okay, and bring it back, push like that, bring it back. Be in control of the weight, do it slow, don't hurry, don't rush. When it comes here, the gravity will start pulling the weight down. It might crack your thing if you don't do it very carefully. So do it very carefully. Take the dumbbell all the way up and turn it around. Okay, so you're extending this muscle. You can see that flexed, right? So that, and bring it back down like that. Okay, that's what you're going to do. So 15 to 3 again. Okay, take a moderate weight. Don't take anything heavy when you're trying it for the first time. So keep your hand, lean towards it, and extend. That's what you're going to do for 15 reps and 3 sets. Do it. Alright guys, you saw the second exercise. It's super intense as it is. So that's for the fat here and here, the brow bulge, right? So the women get a lot of fat here, men do as well, but then it's a rare case on the men when it starts with the gynecomastia, when the chest falls down and becomes almost like a breast. Then you see a lot of fat accumulating here that you can help out with the second exercise. Now, the next one is pretty intense. You're going to work the core as well. I'm going to do only 5 exercises. If I don't incorporate the core, it's really bad on me, right? So I'm going to do that. So what are you going to do? Just take this bench, put it here. Now we can come this way. So what are you going to do? Now, take your body like that, pull and stretch. Pull, stretch. That's what you can do. And it's really intense. Keep your core down. Be careful when you hold the bench and turn. Right? Watch and do it. 15 into 3 each hand. Or if you're finding it too intense, I'll reduce it. 10 into 3 each hand. Alright? That's what you're going to do. Alright, the previous exercise, you would have thought the one which you pull the dumbbell and press it out is the one you're working on. You didn't realize that the other side is stretching. So the whole area gets stretched when you rotate that along with your transverse abdominis, which is rotating. Your shoulder, you're doing this, the rotator cuff exercise. Right? So holding that, you're moving the body. So you're keeping your hand constant, you're moving the body. And this is a row with a chest press. So it's an amazing exercise. Try it. Right? If you've been watching this video till now, like, share, subscribe and tell your friends. And the next exercise, what you're going to do, it's like easier than a lot of the exercises which you did. So what you're going to do is hold the dumbbell together like this. Then raise the ribcage. Go back and bring it back, hold it for a second, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bring it back again. I'm sorry, it's not a second, it's 5 seconds. Go back, hold, 3, 1 and back. That. So you can see it just is expanded, the shoulder is moving, right? Then trace the rib cage, the elbow traces the rib cage. So even if you have to touch it, do that. Go all the way around. So you're going to do 10 into 4 of that. And it's a really good exercise for your pecs and your shoulders together. Again, the bulge under your armpit is what you're targeting. So do that, especially for women. Do it. Alright guys, okay, what we were working on is the pecs, your under armpit and your lats. So this area where especially women put on a lot of weight, okay, that's what we're concentrating. The bra bulge, the under armpit fat. So those are the things which we are concentrating today. Men do have it as well, so it's not just for the women, but it's a women's special. So it is going to be tough for them to do these exercises, but do it and it yields results. So the next exercise, what you need to do is hold 2 dumbbells like this. So now we are targeting specifically the bra bulge, right, which happens here, right, and goes up to here. So you will see the fat line up here. So that's what we're targeting. So what we're going to do is hold up the dumbbell, supinated grip. Okay, so you're going to hold the dumbbell as neutral grip and press it up like this, up, and come down slow. Press up, down slow. Press as high as possible and bring it down slow. Right? It will engage your lats, your shoulders, anterior deltoids, and all of these muscles around here. So you will feel it. It's pretty engaging. I wanted to do 15 into 3 non-stop, and that's the last exercise. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Considering sharing it to your friends and telling them what they require. Ask them to write to us. The number is right there, so you can write to us and ask any questions you want, and then we will answer them for you. So this was a question which was asked by one of the female trainers who actually wanted a solution for her clients and herself as well. So thanks for asking that, and really appreciate your query, and it will help a lot of women around. Thank you, and see you in another video. Watch to the end. Watch the workout.